Hey everybody, welcome to Yeah Buddy. Today I'm going to show you how we change toilet seats around here. Let's go do it.
Let's get started.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, pretty simple and standard toilet seat here. The exception of this is a round toilet, and I bought an elongated or ovicular toilet seat, and I need to change this. So most of them are going to have these two contact points in the back that either have some sort of cover or otherwise are exposed screws. So the screws are pretty basic. Yeah, that's kind of gross. Screws are pretty basic. This is a kid's toilet. Goes underneath. So we have the screw here, and there's like a nut underneath that you'll need to unscrew from underneath. Let's take a look here in a moment.
Well, here we go. This is probably not the camera angle you wanted, but this is the camera angle that you were getting. But this is what it looks like from underneath. This is the washer, or excuse me, this is the nut and washer that you'll need to unscrew from underneath. So you're gonna need to unscrew that while holding the screw in place on top. And let's just show you what that looks like.
You may remember this screwdriver, which looks like just a standard, from my video on how to tape a broken window. In that video, somebody broke my vehicle's window, and they left this screwdriver in. You know, that video has since paid for the broken window, but here we go. So you're gonna need the screwdriver to hold in, you know, this screw in place right here, while you also have your other hand underneath or something else. If it's super tight or metal, a basin wrench or otherwise to unscrew it. So I'm gonna hold that here and I'm gonna get you the other camera angle and you can see me unscrewing this from underneath. One moment.
All right, here we go. It's kind of a crazy angle, so I'm gonna grab underneath here. Just twist this bad boy out. And there we go, that fell out. I'm not even gonna need to keep that, but that's number one, and you're just gonna repeat that with number two. Woo!
And since I already showed you that great montage of me throwing the toilet seat out and unboxing the new toilet seat, we're just gonna skip right into the installation of the new toilet seat, which, as you'd imagine, is exactly the reverse of what I just showed you, which was taking the toilet seat off. So you may have different hardware depending on the toilet seat you got. This one is a little different than I've normally seen, but the functionality is essentially the same. You put the toilet seat on and it's got the two little backs, and you have screws that then attach to some form of washer or nut underneath, and then you get a screwdriver, hold the nut underneath, and there you have it. All right, let's get these. I wasn't quite sure what to do with these pieces. Should have been self-explanatory, but there they go. Give it a slam. Let's see how this one rolls. Oh. Gentle closing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was how to install a toilet seat. If you like this video and want to see some more how-to videos of kind of handy stuff around the house, please subscribe to this channel, like this, share it with your friends. Yeah, buddy.